We stopped at a particular city, we rested for a while, and we now took another flight from there and we continued with our journey. We had a layover at Dubai before we continued with the journey. I booked the flight when it was still very cheap. I booked the flight when it was still very cheap. I booked the flight when it was still at its base fare. Or you can equally say, I made the reservation when it was still at its base fare. I entered a plane last Christmas. I bought a plane last Christmas. I bought a flight last Christmas. Look at that paper on my luggage, you will find the number. Look at my boarding pass, you will find the number. Let's go into the airport's building. Let's go to the airport's terminal. Which way to the toilet, please? Which way to the lavatory, please? Meet me at the plane's walkway. Meet me at the Elo Bridge. We are at the plane stand entering the plane. We are the airplane stand entering the plane. We are at the tarmac boarding. I am at the gate that leads to where I will enter inside the plane. I am at the boarding gate. I am at the boarding gate. Hi family member, welcome to yet another video. Today is a new day and we have a new video. Today I want to show you what name activity could look like in case you guys wish us to embark on that particular journey. The plane landed at their park. The plane landed at their hub. I booked a ticket for going and coming back. I booked a ticket for a round trip. I made a reservation for a round trip. Those people serving at the airplane were just good at their work. The cabin crew were just good at their work. So this is how our names activity will look like. So if this is what you want, you can actually drop me a comment in the comment section. Then we are going to work on that. Okay, this is the first one. I will equally be uploading other ones so you guys can choose. I intend for us to kick off the next 31 days journey on the 15th day of this month. So as I'm posting these videos, I'm going to be waiting for your reply. Okay, so if you want your opinion to count, please make sure you drop a comment on which you are voting for. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to stay safe. See you soon on my next video and bye for now.